Hey there and welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever stared at a tangled mess of numbers or names in a Google Sheets document and wondered how to quickly organize them, especially when you need to see the highest values right at the top, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to sort your data from highest to lowest using Google Sheets, making your information way easier to read and analyze, whether you're working on a budget, a grade tracker, sales figures, or just about any list you can imagine. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is select the data that you want to sort. Take a moment here and use your cursor to highlight the actual range. Don't just click one cell because Google Sheets will only sort the cell you have selected or sometimes even grab data you didn't intend. Make sure you're including all the columns involved, but don't include any blank rows underneath your data, as that can cause things to get mixed up later on. Let's say you have a table of sales figures with product names and their total amounts. The best results happen when you select everything, including the headers so nothing gets left behind. Once your data is selected, head to the menu at the top and click on Data. In the drop-down, look for an option called Sort Range. This is where the magic happens. But instead of clicking right away, hover until you see Advanced Range Sorting options pop up. This may sound a bit technical, but trust me, it just gives you more control over exactly how you want your data sorted. Now here's a small but super important detail. If your data has a header row, that's the row at the very top with labels like name, score, or amount. Make sure you check the box that says Data has header row. This tells Google Sheets not to mix up your headers with your actual data. If you forget this step, you might end up with your headers sorted right in with your numbers, which can get confusing fast. So always double-check that box if you're working with header labels. Next, you'll see the option to sort by in a drop-down menu with your headers listed. This is where you choose which column you want to sort. For example, if you want to see who sold the most, select the total sales column. If it's student test scores, pick that particular column. Now the crucial part, deciding how to sort. You'll see the options as A to Z and Z to A. A to Z is ascending order, which means smallest to largest or alphabetical order. What we want in this case is Z to A, which will sort your data from highest to lowest. Think of it as ranking top scores or sales front and center. Don't worry if you select the wrong one the first time, you can always sort again. Just make sure you've picked the right column in the correct order for your needs. After you've selected Z to A, hit the big Sort button. This part might take a second if you have a lot of data, but don't worry, Google Sheets will handle everything for you. Once it's done, you should see your data beautifully organized with the highest values right at the top and everything else falling into place below. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can organize even big, messy spreadsheets into something clear and useful. If this tutorial made your life a little bit easier, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or if you ran into any trouble along the way, drop a comment down below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, time-saving tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.